Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys some last minute aesthetic-y, artsy gift ideas. Champagne and sweets. If your giftie has like a crazy sweet tooth like I do, then this is the perfect gift for them. Go to your local store, find the most beautiful bottle of champagne that you can find, and then pair it with whatever sweet your giftie loves. For me, I love macaroons, and I think that aesthetically, all the colors and everything pair so well with champagne. Whatever sweet your giftie loves, pair it with that, package it beautifully, and honestly, it makes an amazing gift. Coffee table art books. Okay, if you don't know what a coffee table art book is, it's essentially a book with art in it, but it's like massive, so you can actually like really see the pictures, and you put it on your coffee table so that when company comes and you're like taking too long to get ready, they can just like peruse through the book. You open it up and ta-da! You can usually find these books in like any like local bookstore. I highly encourage you to check out like secondhand stores. However, if you're in a pinch, and since this is last minute, you probably have to like bite the bullet, buy it from Barnes & Noble. But yes, it's a beautiful gift to give somebody. Framed digital prints. If you go on Etsy, there's actually a lot of very talented artists on there who sell their artwork via digital download. So all you have to do is pay for the digital file, they'll send it to you, and then you can just download and print them out either from home or from like your local print shop. Get a nice looking frame, and it makes a beautiful gift. Vinyl records. So even if your giftee does not have a record player, I think that giving them a vinyl of like their favorite artist is still an amazing gift. I don't think that people buy vinyl records just to like listen to the songs. The novelty of having a vinyl record is like a visual and like physical interpretation of what the artist is trying to get across. You always have beautiful cover art that's designed with like different imagery and different typography. And I know people that literally just buy the records so that they can frame the jacket on their walls. Paint set, or an art kit. Should we call it paint set or art kit? An artist kit. This one is really easy, and you can acquire the materials pretty much anywhere. Gather art supplies and then like wrap them up in nice packaging. Oh, maybe you can throw in like a wine bottle too. And that would make it like wine and paint night. That's a good idea too. That's for like the 21 plus version. Or I guess the champagne and macarons would also be 21 plus. Whatever. Honestly, I would be down to get any of these gifts. So if it's like the 23rd and you're wondering like, what should I get Nat for Christmas? There you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.